Prefix, yes, correct. Now, remember what you did for that first alert. You brought it out. You removed the indentation. Yes, so do the same thing for the second one. So they look like they're on the same level. Do you remember? She doesn't remember. I
Yes,
think
sir.
yeah. No, look at what you did. Yes, yes. Push it out like that. That's what you did. Careful, oh. Careful, oh. That's why I tell you to use backspace. I don't know why you now clicked there and still went and pressed delete. Please, anytime you want to do that kind of thing, move it close as possible to the letter you want to bring out. She's still pressing backspace. For that place where you put it, delete is the best thing to use, not backspace. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. But when you want to use backspace, put the cursor directly in front of what you want to move. That's when you can use backspace. But when you want to do delete, you can put it wherever you want, but let it not, don't now press backspace when you mean to press delete.
Just believe and believe it.
You want to, okay, I know what you want to do.
Mhm.
But make sure that you are copying the right thing. Okay, yes, I think she's copying the right thing. She knows what she wants. Okay. All right. So what are the things you need to change? So you need to be careful now. I think you have done, okay, prefix decrease. Okay, so the next one should be variable Z. I'm seeing you are having two variable Y. You are setting yourself up for trouble. Oh. Fix it, fix it, fix it, or else you will have errors. You have three variable Ys. So change the second one to Z or Z and change the third one to A. Did you get that?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Do you go ahead now? Go ahead and do that. Uh-huh. So that third one, that one that you're changing now is supposed to be postfix increase. Look at it carefully. Postfix increase. That's where you have Z plus plus. That's where you have Z plus plus. Am I right? Can you see it? What is it, treasure? What you don't know where you are. Let me point you to where you are. See where you are here. Look at where you are. So number one, change. Can you see where I'm pointing, treasure? That's where you are now. So change that Y there to Z. See why I wanted you to use the exact numbers I gave you. Change that Y to Z. The second Y, change it to Z. Then in the alert side, change it to postfix increase. Change that decrease to increase. No, that is not where I'm talking about. The next one, yes. Yes, change that decrease to increase. Uh, uh, no, not plus plus Z. Z plus plus. Z plus plus, not plus plus Z. Z plus plus. You see the difference very soon. I'll show you the difference. Go ahead. No, why did you remove the space? Put back the space. Put back the space. I did say you should remove that space. There's a plus there. Then you now do Z plus plus. Do you understand? Don't delete. I did say you should remove that first plus. There's already a plus there. No, it's not there. It's after it. It's after it, not before the quotation mark.
Yes, then.
Do you get? Thank you. Now put that Z before the plus plus. Z plus plus. No space between the Z and the plus plus, please. No space between them. Yes, for clarity, like I said, to avoid confusion. Can you press delete now? Just once. Just once. Press delete once. She's not listening to me. Oh boy.
I've pressed the delete.
You've already pressed. When I was telling you to press delete, you didn't hear me. This was where I said you should press the remove the space, therefore. Remove that space that is between the Z and the plus plus. Yes, remove that space. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's decrease that you just deleted now. Replace it with increase. Postfix increase.
Before the thing was low. It is low here.
What was low? Did somebody disconnect it again? Please don't disconnect the laptop again. Treasure increase after the postfix.
Where did I delete it?
I don't not you don't are you not seeing what you're doing, this girl?
Oh,
Yes, that's where you are. Okay. So now type increase there. Remove that colon there and put increase. Just type increase. That's all. Thank you very much. You are doing well. Oh yeah, go ahead. Increase.
yeah.
Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. Nice work. Okay, so now are you ready for the last one? The last one, she has not changed the name of the variable. Change the name of the variable to Z. Z, Z, Z. This one that I put in a box. No, look at it. The one I put in a box. Yes, change it to Z.
Why do you say we should change it to Z?
Because that's the variable name. Don't you want to change the variable name? If you don't know that if you have two variables that have the same name, you are going to have an error in your program. Variables
Oh.
must never have the same name. Do you understand what I'm saying? You don't declare y as a variable somewhere and come again and declare y again. No, you can reuse it, but don't declare it more than once. Do you understand? Type your Z. Let's move on to the last step. Well, should almost be done by now, so that we can run our program and I'll explain
Yes,
what's happening. What?
we have used Y at the bottom and we are using Y at the top.
That's why I said change that place where you have your cursor. Change it to Z. That's where you are declaring the Z. Thank
What
you.
about this
Oh
top
yeah,
one?
now the top one is okay. The last one is A. Change that last one to A. Uh, Thank you. Change it to letter A. It's a variable A. I did say you should delete the space. Thank you. A. Okay. All right. So you can, I don't know what you want to do now. So that uh, paste on the last line, prefix increase, another alert. That's the last alert. Please don't go and type another thing that you do not see. Can you see what I've put a square around, a rectangle around rather, even though that doesn't really look like a rectangle. Oh yeah, that's what you're typing. Oh yeah, type that and we're good. What are you copying? You've gone and copied two lines. You want to copy only one line. Please copy just one line, not two lines. You highlighted two lines. Thank you. Better. All right. Control C. Control Z. Control Z quickly before that C will stay there. Control Z again. Control Z. Control Z. Oh yeah, good. Copy. Don't go, don't press the C for too long. I think that's what happened that C now. Oh, she has done it again. Okay, Control Z. Anytime you make a mistake, just go back by pressing Control Z. Control Z is like our reset button. She's still pressing C again. Control Z, Control Z to undo anytime you make a mistake. Control C is copy. And don't press the C too long. Just press the control and the C. Press the control first, then press the C, then remove your hand at the same time. That's the secret. There's no big deal. Now go to the next line and then put your cursor on the next line before you press Control V.
That's what I mistakenly went to Lord.
Oh yeah, don't mistakenly do it again. So this time now you're doing the last one. Control V, not just V. Control V. Thank you very much. Now you have postfix, prefix. No, change that postfix to prefix. Prefix increase. Prefix increase. And please take note of the difference. P-R-E. Yes, just change the O-S to R-E. Thank you. O-S-T to R-E. Yes, go ahead. Thank you. Then change that Z plus plus. Can you see how this one looks? There's another bracket inside. So please put that bracket first before you start changing anything inside the bracket. Go ahead. Yes, yes. There's another bracket there, and there's another one. So put the brackets first. Then you can now change what's inside the bracket from Z plus plus to plus plus A. Z plus plus to plus plus A. And I can freely tell you why I put the bracket, another one inside there. I did say you should remove the space. The reason why I put another bracket inside there is so that it will also avoid confusion again. Uh-huh. So where is my other bracket on the left-hand side? Where is the bracket on the left-hand side,
Change
madam?
the name.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
please put the bracket there. The bracket, the one before the plus plus. Look at what you're
Oh,
typing. The one
yes.
before the plus plus. Have you seen
Oh,
it?
yes.
Thank you very much. I didn't say you should put a space. Don't put any space. There's no space in my own, madam. Please remove that space. The only space I put was before the bracket, not after the bracket. Before the bracket. Can you do exactly what I did? Just do your best to do exactly what I did.
Yes, sir.
That's the last thing you're doing. Once you do that right, we're good to go. You save your work and then we'll test it. And then we'll see, uh, and I'll explain what happened there. Maybe I will even do you a small explanation so that you know what to expect. Okay. All right. So can you put back that space before the parentheses on the left-hand side of the parentheses? You
Which
remove the
left?
space. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes, there. Thank you. Put back that space. Thank you. Beautiful. All right. So let me explain the code so that you have a bit of background to what is going on here. All right. So now, um, if you look at the one I put in red, let me use the one I put in red to explain. So I have alert. You know what alert does, right? It will just show you a box that you can click OK. It will show you a box with some information that you can click OK. Now I want you to look carefully. I'm going to explain some terms that you need to understand. And if you've done, I don't know if they've taught you prefixes and suffixes in English, but if they haven't, it's not a big deal. Explain it now. So post, anytime you see post, write it in your book. Post means after. Post means after. It's like saying, I want
Let
to
me
post
write
the
this
letter.
one today. Let me write this one today.
Please write it today. But you're not
Okay, right.
writing the whole note, oh. Just write post means after. After the class. Please, don't be in a hurry. Tell Faith or Favor, whoever will be the last person, or I don't know if you. So now, okay, there's another thing you can do. If you are fast enough, you can write just the code. Do you understand what I'm saying? Treasure, are you looking at me?
Yes.
Don't write from HTML to HTML. Only write the one that I wrote in red. Do you understand?
Okay, this let's
Yes,
see.
yes. Write only the one you see me that I wrote in red. Alert from if I start from the var write everything to the alert prefix increase. Is that something that you can do quickly?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? This one that it took you a while. See, don't worry. Sit down. Sit down. Don't worry. Treasure, sit down, sit down, sit down. I don't know what you're looking for. See, don't worry. Just calm down. Let me explain it first. You write. I'll tell Favor to allow you write after I'm done teaching, okay? So don't worry about it. They will let you write. If they don't let you write, your mommy will tell them to allow you write. So post means after. Just understand it. Writing it is not a problem. Pre means before. Okay. So um, let me see if I can find a few example of words that I can. Anyway, okay, yes, I'll just use a few words so that when they're teaching you in English, it will be a plus for you. Okay, so now let me give you an example. Okay, so now watch what I'm
Postfix.
going to do. Watch what I'm going to do.
Please,
Post
please.
means after. Pre means before. Okay, and
Okay,
when I say
before
before, please watch what I'm saying. No, please, I'm putting it in bracket again. Before means on the left hand side. Don't worry, I'll explain all these things. It means that it's on the left hand side. You know, when you're writing words in your book, you start from left to right, isn't it?
after
Isn't it?
it.
Treasure. In your book, even when you're typing, you type from left to right, isn't it?
Okay.
Uh-huh. So post is after, and it is where? On the right hand side. So now let me explain what that means. Now look at this thing carefully. I want you to look. Let me point the arrow at what I'm talking about. Look at this thing carefully. Can you see that the variable age? I didn't mean you should bring your eye too close to the system like that. Calm down. Can you see the variable age has minus minus after it? Treasure, can you see it? Can you see
Yes,
that
yes.
minus minus? So that is what I mean by after. That minus minus is on the right hand side of age variable. Now, do you know what that means? It means
No.
that what you decrease. When I say minus something, that's subtraction, isn't it?
That's decrease.
Yes, it's a decrease, right? So when you minus something, when you see minus minus, treasure, I want you to think about minus one. Did you get that? Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay, good. So minus minus in coding means what? Minus one. Now, treasure, I want you to look carefully at what is going to happen now. Because you put the minus minus after age, do you know what the alert will do? The alert will take the current value of age and show on the screen. But it will do the minus minus, but it will be after because you put the minus minus after. Did you get that?
Yes.
Now, don't worry. I'm going to explain it. The demonstration will show it better. Now, prefix. Look at the next one. I want you to Treasure, you need to sit down so that I'm not done. You know we're not done. Sit down so that you will understand what I'm saying better. Prefix comes before, and before means here on the left. Now look at the next line. Y equals 5. Prefix decrease. Prefix, remember,
Yes,
is
sir.
before. Now, if I put minus minus, because it came before the variable name, it's going to do the -1 before it will show me the answer. Do you understand? Do you understand, Treasure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm going to let's do the demonstration so that you will see what I mean. So now I want you to save your work so that we'll go and see how this thing behaves. Save your work. We'll call it um, treasure. Uh-huh. Change that thing to all files. I know you remember that. Well done. Yes, yes. Then we're going to call it treasure learning. Okay, let me type it the way I did that time. Treasure, treasure, prefix, postfix, ops.html. Okay, yes, I think that is fine. Treasure, prefix, postfix, ops.html. So just type it like that.
Okay, sir.
Remember, prefix means before on the left, and postfix means after on the right. So don't worry, the demonstration will explain it so that, sometimes it confuses people, but you see that there's nothing confusing about it at all. Prefix, postfix, ops. That ops is short for operators. I don't want it to be too long. That's why I changed it to ops. But HTML. Okay. All right. So you can do save. Okay. All right. So let's go and see how it works. Now remember, we are not going to click this thing in a hurry. Where is it? Have you seen it? You want to do open with. Okay. Yeah, open with now. Now enter. Remember, you're entering your age. So what's your age now? Ayana, she's thinking. Are you thinking about your age? Have you forgotten your age? That is very unlikely. Okay, 8. Eh? This girl. Yeah, be careful now. Look at what does it say? Postfix decrease. Last year you were what? Now hold on. Don't click OK. Don't just click OK. Calm down. Let's understand what just happened now. Do you remember when I was explaining to you that postfix means after? Now, what that means is that it took what you put in age, that 8, and showed you. And then afterwards, it made that 8 to become 7. Do you understand? But you understand. So the thing is that you may not see it unless in this program, we did not print it again. Had it been we printed it after that line, you would have seen that 8 turned to 7. Do you understand? That 8 right now turned to 7. But because we didn't print it, we can't see it. So that thing reminds you again, in a program, anything you don't print, you will not see it. Okay, so don't worry. So now let me explain the next one. What did it show? Postfix. No, we've not reached increase now. Why did you click OK? I would have explained that other one to you. I don't even know what you put in your program again. What did you put in your program for the second one?
Um,
You see,
I
you see
put
why I said you should stick to my
12.
own code. What did you put in your program?
Well, in the first one I put 10. The next one I put
Uh-huh.
12.
Okay,
So I
good,
put
good. The first
14.
one you put 10. Did you notice that it turned to 9?
Mm, mm,
Did you notice that it turned to 9? Do you know why it turned to 9? Because it was prefix decrease. I remember prefix will do what? Do the minusing before it will take the answer. Do you understand? So that was the one we should have used for your age. You should have done that minus minus before age, not after. But because I wanted to demonstrate to you, that's why I put it after. So sometimes you need to know which one you need. Do you need the one that is before? Do you need the one that is after? Now, what is this one? This one is for number 3, right?
yes, sir.
Right? Did you notice that what did you put for the second one? That's for variable Z.
12.
12. Good. Did you notice that it is still 12 that is showing? Why is it showing 12? Can you explain why it's showing 12 based on what I explained for postfix? Postfix increase. Treasure, can you explain why it is 12?
Why it is
Okay,
12?
let me. Yes, go ahead. Because of what?
Because it is
Okay.
after.
Yes, because it is after. Yes. So this is what it will do. It will take the current value of Z, which is 12, but that 12 will become 13 afterwards. Do you understand? Yes, it will increase it, but because it is postfix increase, it will become 13, but after. Do you understand now? Don't worry, we're going to change your program and show all these ones that we are doing before only it was taking its postfix increase. Oh yeah, go click OK. Let's see the next one, which is the last one. No, why did you click OK twice now? Treasure. You just want to see your picture, right? I know. I know. Oh yeah, refresh. Let's look at the numbers again so that let's look at the
Eh,
numbers again. Okay, now
okay, sir.
enter your age and be observant. Good. You put 8. You click OK. It says last year you were 8. Question: why did it not change the 8 to 7? And I explained to you that what? It is still 8. Why? It was postfix decrease. And in postfix decrease, it picks the current value before it will decrease it. Always remember, post means after. Pick the current value after, decrease it, which is not what you want in this case. You actually wanted it to decrease it, but will it decrease it? Yes, it will decrease it, but then we did not print it, so you didn't see it. Yeah, click OK. Click OK. This one was prefix decrease. This one actually reduced it before taking the value. Why? Because prefix means before. Did you get that? Before
Yes, sir.
it decreases it before taking the value. So 10 became 9. Good. I click OK. This one is another postfix one, but now it is increased. But did it increase the 12? No. Until after this line, it will turn that 12 to 13. But why didn't we see the 13? Because we didn't print it. But don't worry, we are going to print it now on the next changes we will make. Click OK. And then she clicked OK twice. You clicked, why is it that your clicking is too fast? Okay, all right. Let's go back to your notepad so that we'll make print what we need to print. Okay, all right.
Oh, There was
So,
just only three programs.
yes, there was an error in the program. You did not change that Y to A. That's the error.
Eh?
Yes. Can you see the
I
error
did
now?
not change what?
You did not change that last Y to A as we agreed. That's why. See? Can you see it?
Yes.
That place where you have Y equals 14, you didn't change it to A. No wonder. I said wondering, why did it not show the last one? Oh yeah, put your A there. Put your A. Good. Oh yeah, now let's put in the things that we need to see. Do you remember what we said we are going to put? Do you remember? She didn't remember. Oh, this girl. So you are not listening. Oh yeah, look at what we said we are going to put. After that postfix decrease, let me type it so that you are not asking me, what did you say? I want you to type alert age. So let's see real value of age. Can you see what I added? Can you see what I added? After last year, you were, yes, that space that is there in between the first line and the second line. Sorry, not in between the first line and the second line. Between the second line and the third line. Between the second line and the third line of your code, treasure. Between the second line and the third line. She's wondering where to type it. Oh yeah, let me put an arrow where you should type it. Type it in there. Can you see where I'm pointing an arrow to?
Wait.
Can you see where I'm pointing an arrow to? Put it in between the second line and the third line of your code. Yes, thank you. Oh yeah, type it there. Alert age. Just put only alert age. Don't type any other thing. The age is
I
between the
want to know my.
parentheses. Finish. What did you say?
I like when I'm writing and late. The thing will make my hand to pain.
What did you say? I didn't hear what you said.
I said when I used to write alert, I had to be doing as if alert is like disease that's flying.
Ah, I don't know. I don't understand what you're saying, but anyways. So postfix decrease. Have you typed it? Quickly type it. Then we'll do the second one. Where should we put that second one? Okay. What are you doing now? Shift 0. You've already just press Control Y. Press Control Y once. Control Y so that it will put back your age for you. Oh yeah. Now do backspace and go back up. Backspace and go up. Small, 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 small. Don't be too in a hurry. Just be going bit by bit. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Well done. Now put your shift 0, please. Don't go and press enter again. Thank you. Put your semicolon. Then the next place you are going to do what you just did now is where should we put it? Okay, yes. Let me point to you where you're going to put it. Watch you. Can you see where I put an arrow? Can you see where I pointed an arrow?
Yes,
So just put alert Z. Alert Z.
alert
Because
Z.
that's the variable why yes, alert Z. That's the variable we're interested in. Treasure does not like alert again. Why don't you like alert? Do you prefer to be typing document.write? Don't worry, your next program is document.write you'll be typing. Since you don't like alert again. You want to take a break from alert. Spell your alert well. Oh. Don't go and spell another thing. Okay. Then put Z in parentheses.
Red.
Have you done that?
Yes.
You not put it in parentheses. See this girl, oh. Put your parentheses, John. So you want to see error, this girl. You want to just see error today. Semicolon. Semicolon. Don't forget to semicolon. All right. Good. Well done. Nice job. Okay. So save your work. Just press Ctrl S. We'll go and refresh that page and see the difference. Just press Ctrl S. Have you done that? Good. You have done that. I can see. Then refresh. Good. Now be careful when you're now type your 8. Type your normal 8. Good. Click OK once. Let's see what it will show.
Number 8.
Yes. Okay. Postfix decrease. Last year you were 8. Now remember what I told you. It actually changed it to 7. But because we did not show it before, now we are showing it. The next alert will show it. Now click OK. Let's see if it actually changed it to 7. Click OK.
I was 8.
Thank you. Did you see that? Did you see that? Treasure, did you see that?
Yes.
Is that not 7? So that means
Yes.
that it actually changed it to 7 before, but we did not know that it changed it to 7. Why? Because it was a postfix and we did not print it after it had done the changes. So always remember,
Yes.
postfix, you have to always be careful whenever you're using it. Or you click OK. Click OK. Let's go to the next one. Prefix. Prefix. This one is fine. Prefix decrease. It changed it from 10 to 9. Why? Because prefix happens before. Decrease it before showing us the value, right? Decrease it. Then, now click OK. The next one is another postfix increase. Careful with this one now. It showed you 12, but it's supposed to show you 13. Remember, it's postfix. That means it does it first, it picks the value first, then it does the increase later. So now click OK. Let's see if it changed it to actually 13. Thank you. Can you see that it's 13 there? Yes. So it's actually 13. Now click OK. Let's see the next one, which we do not see. Prefix increase. This one changed it from what? 14 to what? 15. Yes, it was 14 before. It was 14 now, right? Was it not 14? So it's a prefix increase, which does what? Increases it before showing us the value. So we don't need to start printing again to see what happens after. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I need you to just promise me one thing, that you're going to copy this code into your note after the class. Can you promise me that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please,
Feel
unfailingly.
me out.
Thank you very much. Well done. Do you have any questions? Okay, so who is next? Favor.
As my Google. If you never ask him who should do, go use that for what do you use Sir,
Hi, Favor. How are you doing?
fine side.
I hope you've enjoyed your break. I gave you a long break. So are you ready for your coding class?
Yes, sir. But sir, I want to do something like
You want to do something like what?
about
Hmm?
English.
Something what?
No, what I'm saying that what did you teach Treasure today?
Prefix and postfix operators. So we should have an idea of prefix and postfix, but I just want to emphasize the differences between both of them. Prefix is before and postfix is after. Something that comes before and something that comes after. And when I say after, I mean you will see it on the right hand side, and before you will see it on the left hand side. That's it before. So it's not something that you don't know, but sometimes if you are not careful, you may not know the difference. So do you want to see how the code works before we see the code itself? So get ready for some surprises. Now, what did you notice? You were expected to see 9, right? Good. But the reason why you did not see 9 is because it is a postfix decrease that was there. By the time you look at the code, you will understand. The minus minus comes, don't worry, that one you may not understand it until you see the code. So that first one is the one I'll just explain to you now. Postfix will pick the value before it actually decrease. No, don't worry, it's not, that one is not your age, it's showing. When you look at the code, you will see it. Or yeah, go to the code, let me explain it better. Go to the code. It's not your age that is showing like that too. It's something that's, don't worry, go to the code. Go to Notepad. All right. Now look at the code carefully. At the top there, you can you see what happened there? Age minus minus. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. Now, what I want you to notice is that the minus minus is written on the right-hand side of age the first time. That is how a postfix usually looks. Okay. It comes after. So because the variable comes before the minus minus, it picks the value, but it will do the minus minus later. Do you understand? That is why on this next line, look at that next line. Can you see that we did alert age again? I don't know whether you can see that.
Yes.
Good. The reason why we did that alert age was for us to see that, okay, the program actually decreased it for us. But it's just that it happened after we have used it. Do you understand? Favor, are you sure you understand it? Hmm? You are not sure. Okay, let me explain it again. Okay. So let me see if I can. Now, I want you to remember what happened when you were testing the program. You entered 10, right? On this first line, isn't it? Good. That 10 entered the variable age. Okay, just listen, don't worry, you'll get it. It entered the variable age. Now, on the next line, you see an alert. Now, what you see in the alert, I want you to look carefully at that alert. Postfix decrease. Last year, you are expecting that it's supposed to change that value that you entered from 10 to what? 9, isn't it? Good. But I want you to look carefully at the arrangement. The variable name comes before the decrease. The decrease comes after. Do you understand?
Yes.
That is why it is called a postfix. So it will decrease it from 10 to 9. But guess what? The alert will pick the value that was there. It will not wait for the decrease. That's why it is called a postfix. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Favor.
Yes.
Do you get it now? That's the reason why you are seeing what's there. You are seeing the same 10 that you entered. But guess what? The next line, the very next line, what happens? We now printed age. What will you now see? You will see 9, isn't it?
Yes.
Which means that it actually did what? Decreased it. Good. Now, this is why I was saying that you will not understand what is happening after that based on unless you look at the code. The next variable we declared is a variable y that contains the value 10. So we want to use it and test prefix. Prefix decrease is like normal one. It comes before the variable name. Did you notice the difference? Minus minus y. Can you see it? Okay. So minus minus y. And that minus minus means decrease it before giving us the value. So it's a prefix. That's why it is called what? Before. Did you get that?
Yes.
So that's why that 10, if you notice, the next alert said prefix decrease and it showed you 9 on the screen. It doesn't have anything to do with age now. Do you get?
Yeah. I have
Then,
one question.
what's the question?
So when I pressed OK when it climbed, why did it not show this and this?
And now they are following each other now. If you want to change, when you are doing your own, you can change the numbers. Or yeah, copy this, and copy into your own so that you will not change Treasure's code if you want to. I don't know if that's what you mean. But if you want to change the numbers, you can change it. Control A, highlight everything. If you want to change the numbers, you can change it. I know this was the one that Treasure chose. Do Control A. Yeah, Control C. Then Control N. Okay, good. Now, if you want to change, you can change the numbers, but these are the numbers that Treasure chose. Don't change the variable names. Don't change the variable names. You can change only the numbers 10, 12, and 14. Those are the numbers you are permitted to change.
Sir,
Favor, are you doing that?
the numbers I'm permitted to use is this.
So I want you to take note of the numbers. The first one for Y is 10. The second one for Z is 12. The third one is 14. Have you taken note of them?
Yes, sir. So I've taken note this
So
one.
let me ask you a question. Based on what you are expecting, you are expecting what to show on that line? What are you expecting to show on this line?
Make sure it should. So it should show this one.
I didn't hear you. What are you expecting to show on that line, on that alert?
Is the number into to show that?
What's she saying? I can't hear what you're saying. Speak louder now.
So we want to sit on the now. So
No, I said by the time the program is executing, what do you expect to see on the alert box? That's what I'm asking. Yes.
See this.
No, no.
No, sorry,
Don't you understand my question?
this.
When this thing runs, or maybe we should just run it. Have you taken note of the numbers in the variables? Eh?
Sir?
Have you taken note of the numbers in the variables?
Yes, sir. 10, 12, and 14.
Oh yeah. Well, I want you to do something now. I want you to for that place where you have age, that place where you have alert age, the third line. Have you seen the third line?
Yes, sir.
I want you to change it to this. I'm going to tell you what to change it to. Just give me a minute. I want to tell you what to change it to.
Sir, is this
So
what I should change?
No, did you hear what I said? The third line, line 3 of the code, from the first 1, 2, 3. The third line where you have alert age alone, just alert age. Have you seen it?
Okay.
Yes, thank you. So that I want you to change it to this, so that we'll know that it is age that we're printing. Just give me a minute to soon see what I'm typing. Change it to that.
Sir? H plus
Change it
H.
to
Okay.
that. Yes, yes. The first one is in quotation marks. So we're doing, like I said, that age plus age that you did now is just for us to show that age was actually decreased. So that's the proof for it. Then the one that says alert Z, have you seen where alert Z is? Third to the last line, third
Yes,
to the
sir.
last code, alert Z, alert Z. Yes,
These are
thank you.
like
So
Z.
change it to, yes, change it to Z plus Z, like I just typed there. The same thing you did for age plus age.
This one is just say if you don't want, see, if you don't have it, I can take it to one. He said, come to one.
Plus, go ahead now. Plus, plus Z. Yes. Uh-huh. Okay. Change the title of your code, the title area. Change it, no, the title area. Change it to what we're actually doing. Prefix and postfix operator.
Because I'm C7.
Okay.
Zero. Yeah.
I favor learning prefix and postfix ops. I don't know how you want it. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Okay, go ahead. I can see what you want.
Push. O P S H T O. Oh, no space.
Oh, you want to put the name of your file already?
Yes, so
I can
hallelujah.
see. You don't want to type it again now. See what you want. What you want. The. Why are you deleting the image now? Huh? You want to come and start looking for images now? Please, don't delete. Please don't delete. Just save it. Let's quickly see what is there. Okay, yeah, yeah. Don't worry. Can
Okay.
remove that then. Okay,
Anyway,
careful, careful. Okay, so is this okay? All five. Okay. Are you copying or pasting, madam? You've gone and undone what?
Tasty.
Uh, it's pasting that you're supposed to do now. Point and copy. You have to go back to, or you want to type. You are either go back to your code or type anyone you want. Yeah. Don't you get? You mistakenly copied what was there, and that copying will overwrite whatever you copied before. Oh, yeah.
Yes, we like to know. I
Uh,
repeat this one.
Copy it back. This time, don't go and be copying again. You only copy once and then you paste after you copy. Don't go and copy again because a copy will render invalid the one that the last copy that you did. That's what happened.
Okay.
Don't forget to put your all files so don't forget that one. So okay.
You work.
Good. All
Uh-uh.
right. Nice job.
Give me
Oh yeah,
everybody clap
let's
for me,
go.
clap for me, clap for me.
No, go to Notepad. Go to desktop now. Minimize. Minimize and go to desktop.
Yes, stop.
All right. So you've seen it.
Open with.
You can do open or open with anyone.
Microsoft.
Okay, good. So what is your age? Please don't be
Yeah.
in a hurry to click OK. Eh? Just oh yeah, now you can click OK. Let's see the next one. 10. Now, what does it say? You expected it to be 9, right?
Yeah.
Because it was postfix decrease. Now click OK. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what actually
Okay.
happened next. Thank you.
Hey.
Can you see that it actually changed it to 9?
Office
Yes.
decrease 9.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Okay.
Office is increased 12. Office Z.
Mhm.
Mm.
Now, did you see something about prefix decrease? Prefix decrease and prefix increase, they always happen before. So we did not need to start printing for them. But for postfix, we had to print for them just to be sure you understand that, oh, it actually decreased or it actually increased after. But it's just that the position matters. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Are you sure you got it? Hmm? Favor, are you sure you got it? Hello, Favor. Okay. All right. Okay. Do you have any questions?
Sorry, sir. Uh,
Do you have any questions? Okay. All right. So let's see. I think I
wow.
can go ahead to teach Faith now.
So, this is blocking their prefixes. I cannot really see it.
It,
I cannot go ahead and clean it.
ah, okay. Oh, yeah, go ahead and clean it. I think I used it to teach treasure. Okay, no problem. All right. So help me call Faith. So
Okay. Uh, okay.
I hope she's not too far. Faith, where are you?
Give me. Jesus. She not gonna look for you.
Faith, what are you doing?
Sir. Sorry, sir. I was talking the
Okay. All right. Good afternoon. What did you do to your hair?
no, there
What's
is it. No,
the handkerchief on your head?
bring my costume.
Okay. All right. So let's go to Notepad so that I'll show you what we learned today or what we're going to learn today.
Okay. And that is something what? I'm going to the next.
Go to Notepad. The Notepad is at the bottom there. It's just minimized. Yes. Okay. All right. So yes. Okay. You want to just copy it. I copy. Then I'll explain the code. Okay. Huh? No. Did you copy? I think you only highlighted. You didn't copy. Control C. Uh-huh. Good. Okay. So before you start changing things, let me explain what's happening. Okay. Or do you want to run it? Okay, maybe I should allow you to run it. Okay, no. So maybe okay, wait, let me explain some things. Let me just explain some things before you run it. You want to run favor zone. Okay. Okay. So now I'm sure you are shocked. You're expecting that to be 9, right?
Mm,
Good. Now you will discover now it now showed 9. What you are going to find out is that something called, hold on now, before you click OK, let me explain. There's something called postfix and prefix. Postfix usually happens post, and you know in English, post is after, okay? And prenatal, post natal or antenatal, as they say, okay? Post is after, pre is before. So after means give me the value first, then do it after. Do the decrease after. That's the reason why it was showing you 10 that time instead of showing you 9. But on the next time you saw the alert, what did you see? You saw 9, isn't it?
yes, sir.
So that means that the decrease happened though, but it happened after. But pre is good. Pre will do it before. Now look at this one. Postfix increase. By the time you go back to the code now, you will see that the content of the variable was 12, which means it picked the content of the variable first. Then it now increased it. Now click OK. You will see that it actually increases it to 13. Good. Can you see? That variable was variable Z. It increased it to 13. Prefix increase, we don't need to print 2 times for it because it always does it before it does it. It does the increase before it does picking the value. Did you get that now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now go ahead and change.
Oh, this.
If you want to change
Sir, can
values
you
in your own code,
guess?
you can go ahead and change it. What happened?
Sir, can you guess this? Can you guess this? Who these two people are?
No, I can't guess. Who are they?
Which one of them is my auntie? Which one of them is my mommy's brother? Which one of them is my mommy's sister? Which one of them is my mommy's brother-in-law? Which one is my mom's
Betty. Ah, why do you like
Who's
giving me
there?
homework? Oh yeah, I beg, go back to
No,
Notepad. Let us finish our
this is
test
my
first.
mommy's. This is my mommy's brother. This is my mommy's sister.
Okay, okay, okay. Noted. Oh yeah, go to Notepad and change what we need to change. If you want to change the numbers, you can change the numbers.
Oh,
But please don't change image now. You can change the background color. Unless we have an image that has the name of what you want. You cannot change image. So what else do you want to change? Can you see that variable Z that was 12? That I told you that it's actually 12 inside. So the postfix increase still left it as 12. But by the time you printed it next, it came out as 13, right? Hmm?
yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Which other one? Is there any other one you want to confirm?
Mm,
Hmm?
mm, no,
Faith,
sir.
what's the difference between prefix and postfix? What did I say is the difference?
Prefix is something. Postfix is something ahead. Prefix is something like before.
Postfix is what?
Something ahead, something about increase, something
Uh,
ahead.
uh, Hey God, this girl, were you listening to me?
No, after, after,
I
after,
said
after.
postfix is
Something after.
after, prefix is before, and after here means on the right hand side. Before here means on the left hand side. Okay, so now let me ask you some questions because I mean, if this thing is quite straightforward. Please look at my question. If I do this, var, don't worry, you soon see what I'm doing. Var t equals 70, and then I do something like this. Alert t plus plus. What will show on the screen? Tell me what will show on the screen.
Okay.
Don't run the code though. What will show on the screen if I do this?
Jesus Christ.
Which one is
Try
Jesus
to
Christ?
that.
Eh?
It will mean that you
What will
change
it show on the screen? Will it show
70,
71 or 70?
71.
See, you didn't understand what I was saying. You didn't get me. To see what I was saying. Postfix means after. After. That means it will pick the 70. T plus plus. It will pick T. What is inside T now? Is 70.
70.
So it will not show 71, it will show 70. But if peradventure you do something like this, look at now, you now come and do something like this. Alert T. After that line, you know what will happen? The second alert will show you what? The second alert will show you what?
That, yeah, prefix 71.
Which kind of prefix? There's nothing there now, madam. Look
I
very
mean,
well.
when
Did you see
post,
anything there?
no, sir.
the the postfix happened only once. After the postfix happened, I just said, let me see what is inside. So now it will show me what that it has actually increased it for me. Do you get it now?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it will now show what? 71. Does it make sense now? Eh? Now, let me ask you the next question. Please, this thing is just me testing you. Please don't let me down. 90. And then we now do alert. Minus r. I will do this. Oh yeah, what will show on the screen?
It will show. It will not be like the 70. It will not be like the one that we just talked about, 70. But this
And what
digit
will
is
it
not
show? That's what I'm asking. What will it show?
88.
88. If I minus 1 from 90, is it 88 that I will see?
So you wrote 2 minus.
Yes, but it is only one that it will do. See, those are the things you need to be observant about. Even though I did plus plus, it wasn't only one time that I added one. Mm?
Mm,
So even though you see minus minus, it will only minus 1. Now, because the minus minus, now in that second one, is the minus minus prefix or postfix?
minus minus is a prefix.
It's prefix before because it came before. And I told you that before means what? It will do the increment or decrement before it gives us the value. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Please, this thing is a very simple concept. So it will be very heartbreaking if you don't understand it. Eh?
I understand this now.
What are you going to save it as?
Okay.
Create, prefix, postfix, ops, right?
Page,
So,
age,
don't,
time, face,
uh,
age.
age kini, which one is age again? How is it age we are talking about? We're not doing age thing now. Madam, which one is age? Time machine. Okay. Where did we, where on earth did we do time machine today? For goodness sake. We're not even, well, it's not like that last week so that we're predicting age now. So why are you doing time machine here?
Okay. Wait. Age machine.
How will I know that you are talking about prefix and postfix by calling it age machine? Don't you know, don't you understand that it will be confusing? There's something about a file name that tells you what is inside the file without opening the file. It saves you a lot of wahala. Okay, I'm
Okay.
putting it in bracket. Postfix, prefix. Okay. Okay. Are you done? Postfix
No.
and prefix.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. I save your work. Let's test it. Did it allow you to save? Okay. All
Allow
right.
me to
So minimize. All right.
minimize.
So go ahead and save and check your work.
Anyway. There's a
Hey,
phone.
you're not right clicking well, madam. You right clicked on the wrong place. This one you could don't even need to right click. I don't know why you right click. Just double click and open it. It's already a browser file. You want Microsoft Edge. Okay.
What is your? So please, sir, can you please clean this and then
Yeah, I've
screenshot?
done that. I've done that.
And what is your name? Ah, so I did not know when I said what is your name.
Name. I did we do name? So you went and added name. Faith. What did you do with name? For goodness sake. Can you just tell me what you did with name?
Is your name? What is your
Eh?
name?
So after he asked you for name, he did not even use what he asked you for. Madam Faith.
Sir. Uh-huh.
So why did the program ask for name?
I put I put it there.
I noticed. I just noticed now. I didn't even see when you were putting it. Oh yeah, now enter your name now.
My name is.
There, I see you.
This one is not my name, but it's my friend's name, not my
Chisel.
name.
Okay. Ah, so wait. So what happened to all the other this thing that we did today now?
Yeah, let me go
Wait,
check.
go back to Notepad. There's an error somewhere. You've introduced an error and you are trying to, I don't know what you are trying to do. What happened?
One
Why
thing I
did it
forgot
not?
to put. I know I put
What
something there. I'm supposed to not put. I'm supposed to put space. I
you're
know I
supposed to do
forgot to
what?
put it. No, there's something. No
What was
what
it that you
happened.
forgot to put?
No, what is that?
I think I
Enter.
know what happened. There's one time he gave us this error before and nothing worked
Oh,
again.
Jesus
Oh yeah.
Christ.
Do you remember? Do you
Hmm.
remember? We
Yes,
where
sir.
there was a day, I don't know whether it was you or favor. No, it was treasure. Yes, I remember it was treasure. We looked for error in the program. We never saw what was making it not to work. But we knew that anytime we put name as our variable, something goes wrong. Now, Faith, you just discovered it. So please change that variable name from name to something else, and your error will disappear. Just change the variable name to something else. Change it to name
What's
one
your
or name two.
favorite?
Yes. Don't
Okay.
don't use name as your variable name. Do you understand?
Yes,
No,
sir.
I said name one. I did say one. You cannot have a variable as a number. I have forgotten the rules of variable names. Faith. Variables always start with letters. Always. They can end with numbers, but they must start with letters. And I
Oh,
said,
ciao.
why did you put that space? No need for space. There can be no space. Thank you. Or you save your work and you see everything will be fine. That was
Eh,
what saved us that day. I said one day, what is your age? 10.
the
What is
name.
your name? Faith. Okay. What happened? There's another error somewhere. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
go back to notepad. There's an error somewhere. Faith has given us one today. You said what is your name? Oh, I see where the error is. Faith, you are the one that will introduce the error. How would you ask somebody for their name and you are changing it to an eval? Eval is only for numbers. Can you see the
Oh,
problem now?
she down there, right? Okay, I should write only prompt.
Remove, yes, only prompt. Remove that eval for that name, including the parentheses. Remove the parentheses too.
The
And don't
second
forget
parent.
to remove yes. No, yes, and then the second one, yes. Thank you. Oh yeah, save it. Okay, you know
Ciao.
what? Just for us, wait, hold on. Go back to notepad. Just for us to be sure. Change that name one back to name. Let me see. Change it back to name so that we can be sure where the error came from. Oh yeah, save it. Save your work. Save your work. Have you saved your work?
Yes,
Okay,
I've
you have
saved
saved
it.
it. I see it. Yeah, I noticed. Oh yeah, refresh. Let's see if it will work now.
Then
Because I know that when me and Treasure were doing something like this, let me just be sure that okay, 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 what does it say? Last year you were 10. Click OK to see. Good. It has actually changed it to 9. Click OK. Prefix decrease. That one was 9. Postfix increase. It has not changed it though. Click OK. You will now see it changed it to 13. Then finally, prefix increase. That one is 15. It was 14 before it changed it to 15. Well done. Nice job.
you can see me, I did
Please.
more than treasure and faith. Favor.
Uh,
I added name.
who told you? Who told you? You're just lucky that you are the last person. Okay. All right. So, um, please, Faith, remind Treasure. Treasure was ready to write, but because of time, I could not allow her to start writing her notes immediately after class. Please,
Oh, she's very slow.
let her write. Please, she's ready to write. Please tell her to bring her note. Let her copy the code, and please make sure that you also copy your own into your book, and
Yes, only
and
if they
tell
bring
Favor.
clap.
Yes, tell Favor. In fact, I think three of you can do it at the same time if you will not fight too. If people won't end up fighting. Please.
Fight with her.
All right.
Just make it
So I think we're good to go.
to go, go to
Hmm?
go. Is that
So
good
we'll
to
have
go?
our next class tomorrow, right?
So is that tomorrow I don't going to have class again?
I just wanted to see the look on your face, whether you were exclaim another class.
No, I'm going
You
to
don't want
sleep.
another class. But you know what? When you guys start secondary school, it's likely that your mom will ask for a class on Sunday. Hmm? But don't
So,
worry, you will
no
have your
class.
full siesta. Hmm? You
What
have
is
your full
siesta?
siesta.
What is siesta?
Eh?
What is
Siesta on
siesta?
Sunday. Yeah, now your Sunday siesta.
What
When
is
you sleep
siesta?
after you return from church. Hmm?
We normally have Sunday siesta to not be okay.
If you do what?
Our normal siesta,
And you
our
have your
sleep.
Sunday siesta. How long do you sleep? Do you sleep all day? You don't sleep
No,
for the rest of the day, do you?
we used to normally sleep for um uh, 10 hours.
10 hours. Ha! Nah. No, that's when you are sleeping at night. Even at night, safe, you don't sleep up to 10 hours. If you are doing
We used
siesta, you
to,
can't do two, you can. How will you sleep 10 hours?
yes, we used to
Anyway, don't
sleep
worry. Well,
early. Even though we sleep early by 8, 7, 6,
mm-hmm,
wake up
mm-hmm.
by 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock.
In the morning. Uh,
Mm-hmm. See,
okay.
see
Okay.
some human life. How child could Hmm?
All righty. Okay, so I guess our next class will be on Thursday then. Mm-hmm.
Ah,
So I'm sure before then you'll have some more good news for me, right?
no, only if good news come up.
Okay, it's all good. Okay, so bye. Enjoy your Sunday.
Yeah. Sunday or Saturday.
I don't know. I think you, of course, enjoy the rest of your day, then enjoy tomorrow too. Please remember to tell the others to copy their note, please.
Yes,
Make
sir.
sure Treasure sits down and copies hers. Don't forget.
Mm. Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Goodbye. Sir,
Bye.
hey, another good news has come. Oh. I almost
Well,
forgot.
what's the good news?
Today, I, 3 of us, we are going to do a competition today. Who is the best?
You what?
Who is the best?
Who is the best in what?
In doing gym work. Efe doesn't know how to split. It's only one split. He doesn't know how to split. He said that on the day she's not they are going to do split. And she has not yet mastered it.
Is
I
that
will go.
Treasure talking there?
Yes, because if she's because she wants me to be jealous because she can do split. She can.
She can do splits very well, eh?
It's not me. It's tell you that can do split. She's even the first person to even do gymnastics.
Uh, uh, she
She
she has a gift for it now.
Yeah, she said that we used to normally watch it on TV. We used to say we're not flexible like that one on TV. She then I say
Okay,
she now
she
split
can
one
do
day.
it, and she actually splits, and you
She's
guys
even
were
in
shocked.
this. She's even splitting right now. Where is she again? Say
I
hello.
can see she's really good.
I know, no. People will be saying that if I have bomb bomb I've tear before.
It's a gift now. Don't worry.
No worry, God will give me my gift.
Yes,
Give me
yes, you have your own gift.
the
Your own
best.
might be different, so just discover it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Enjoy the
All
rest
right.
of your week.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
All right. Bye.